how to delete Gmail account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can delete Gmail account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you can open up a browser and here make sure that you're logged in with the account that you wish to delete. If not, you can switch your account as well. So once you're logged in with the account that you want to delete, click on your profile icon at the top right and here click on manage your Google account. Once you get here, click on the search bar and simply search for delete. And then head towards delete your Google account. Now for your verification, you have to enter your password. Once you're done, click on next. And once you have entered your password and once you're logged in or if you're verified, scroll down a bit and make sure to read all of this information. Once you delete your account, all this content that is shown here will be deleted. So with that on your mind, if you conform to delete your account, you have to click on this terms and agreements. And once you're done, click on delete account button and with that your account will get deleted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.